How to upload resume on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can upload resume on your LinkedIn account. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you have to go to linkedin.com. Make sure that you're logged into your account. From the menu bar at the top, click on your profile and this menu box will pop up. Here, head towards settings and privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, navigate to this menu bar on your left-hand side, then click on Data Privacy. On the Data Privacy, scroll down and there is a section as Job Seeking Preferences. From here, you have to click on Job Application Settings. Once you land here, now there is an option to upload your resume. Click on Upload Resume. From your device, you have to select your resume, then click on Open. Then your resume is now uploaded to your account. If you want to share a resume with hires, then you can turn on this toggle right here. That's it. That's how you can upload resume on your LinkedIn account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.